OPPO is preparing to expand its Reno 15 lineup in China with the upcoming Reno 15c. The OPPO Reno 15c is reportedly launching in December. The design and color options have already been teased by the brand and are very similar to the Reno 15 series. The phone will be available in Starlight Bow, Aurora Blue, and College Blue colorways. The OPPO Reno 15c will feature a 6.59-inch OLED display with 2.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. It will also run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The camera include a 50MP main lens, Sony LYT600, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, IMX355, a 50MP telephoto lens, Samsung JN5, and a 50MP selfie shooter. It will be more than 6,000 mAh battery, with 80W fast charging. The phone weighing approximately 197 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.